You asked? I got it. Reincarnated as a slime anime, that's the booster box of these cards. And I don't know, this plastic is not really tight, so I don't know, it might be not legit, but there's only one way to find out. Oh my god, okay. Freaking Bankai finally having some problems with openings, god damn. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like the box. It just feels cheap. I also had some troubles finding this box. Apparently this set is has sold very quickly at some point. I know that's not official anyway, but it looks like shit. But we'll see. There are a lot of packs actually, and I don't even remember what kind of cards we can get. I also don't remember any names of the characters. Although I watched the whole anime so far. It's not a masterpiece, but it's a very good one. Still, I can't remember the names. There are not much cards in the pack. They're thin, not thick, so that's something. Probably SSR is the best one from this. That's a very weird choice of an SSR. I know who that is, but yeah, okay. And then we have SR. And I'm curious to see if that's the lowest rarity, because SR here is looking like a normal R, because there's really nothing special going on with this one. Oh god, spoilers. That's also an SR, sure, kinda cute. Nothing special. I didn't show you the backside, but we will go to it. Ultra rare in the first pack that I opened. That's a weird character from an ultra rare. Who the fuck is gonna hype up about an ultra rare? That's him. 4 cards in each pack. We see the back. Oh, okay. For some reason there's a lot going on in SR than in SSR or ultra rare. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it away. I didn't really care about, throwing away from this shot. I don't want to display this kind of shit. Let's see. Look, this is more appealing to me and probably to us, the web travelers. Okay, now we have this. Whatever this is in super rare. That's probably the lowest rarity. Why do you start your rarity as a super rare when it's just like the normal R? Like, why even bother? Oh right, an ultra rare. This one at least looks fire. Okay, guys, if you want to support the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. I would really appreciate your help. And by the way, if you want to buy a box and get yourself a free promo pack, see the video description for more details. Well. That's just, I don't care. Sure. It feels more like an SSR. Like they just push their rarities up a bit without really pushing the card itself. You know what I mean? Like, oh look, that's an ultra rare. And in reality it's just an SSR, but they display it like an ultra rare, so probably they can charge more, because boy, we got an ultra rare card. Very good, very nice. Getting some waifus in there, I like it. We're gonna display this. This is what I wanted to see. Not freaking goblins or whatever. Slime, okay. I asked for goblins, I got goblins. Right, okay, an ultra rare. Look! More waifus, more waifus. The quality wise is alright. SR is really nothing special, it's just like thin card. SSR is alright. There's like some texture on the corners of the card and yeah, shine, whatever. Let's get it here. That's sure, man. I don't know why I need it. This is more interesting than this, so okay, well, you proved your point. Yes. Why is that's such a weird choice? I'm not complaining, but you see this? So he chose to make her booba shiny. I don't know why specifically, because like her horn and the booba is shiny. You know, now we're getting there. Slowly but surely, more characters that we wanted to see. Don't know that anybody is hyped about him. That's a dragon at least, so it's kinda hype, and that's an ultra rare. It's kinda fire, that's a cool dude, actually a cool shot and very well executed with the shining. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm just the rotten apple in here, and like many of you guys are hyping this up like, oh my god, yes, slime cards, let's go. But for me, it's just like, I mean, it's alright. Okay, that's a nice one. Okay, we have some of the, not the main characters, but very important side characters, I guess, or how to, I don't know the term. Alright, more of this. Yes, very good. Alright. I freaking hate him in anime. Holy shit, I hated him. And I still do. He's so annoying. No purpose whatsoever for the story. I don't like it. I really don't like it. He's freaking annoying. We didn't need this. There were already enough comedic reliefs, and then he is just like over the top, unnecessary character. Why is it sticky? Oh, that's why we have an XP. We can level up now, guys. This one is looking hella nice. Nice shine and everything, and nice art, and definitely better than the other ones. Alright, first double and SSR, and freaking annoying SSR, because who the fuck wants this? I mean, sure. Hey, an ultra rare. Such a cute art. I love it. And we have double. I mean, with such many packs, it's expected to get some doubles, I guess. I was about to say, I just hope I don't get an ultra rare double, and I did. But okay, we're halfway through, I think, so that's not that bad at the moment. We have the children. Does anybody give a fuck about them? We have this dude. Ooh, okay. Well, hey, an ultra rare double. At least a good one, so it doesn't feel that bad. Yeah, the double. I just needed to check it. And it's an ultra double, goddammit. Give me some good ass guy, and I got the most annoying character in the whole anime. Thank you so much. Goddammit. Sure. Okay. Yeah, also double. Okay. Now we're getting at the uncanny freaking part of the video where it's just like all the doubles. All the doubles. So much doubles. At least the SR are not the doubles, but ultra rares are. Most of the time it's the other way around. Like, why the fuck do you do this one as an SR and this one as an SSR? It would have been fine if you done it other way around, because who the fuck gives crap about him? But everybody wants to see these kind of cute waifus holding the slime, man. Like, make this one shiny. Dumb choices. Very dumb choice. Make this one shiny. I got a good ultra rare double. Fuck, that's probably somebody who doesn't understand how this shit works and thought, well, I'm gonna just do some screenshots and I'm gonna just do like a random, like, why the fuck is this an ultra rare? Why the fuck is he an ultra rare? Oh man, I'm getting annoyed at this box. Okay, sure, we've seen this. That I can understand, but why the fuck this art? That's just trolling, man. And I mean, it would have been alright if I didn't get all the other crap from you box. The fucking... He has some freaking cool action. And then you choose the most bizarre picture, make it an ultra rare. Oh, it's sticky. Yes, it's sticky. And also super rares at the back. It means there's some special card in here. If that's the freaking same card as this, I'm gonna end this video. It's not. It's booba time. Let's go. XP. Very nice. Very cool. What the fuck is happening? I don't understand. What are those? I can't remember this scene. Alright, look, now you're starting to get it. Waifus, or at least female characters that have like good shots. SSR, sure. Like, who the fuck gives a shit about him? Sure, SR, whatever. Why is this SR? I don't get it. She's cute, she's great, make it an SSR. I would really appreciate you if you did it otherwise. He's an ultra rare, I get it, he's an important character. So, there's nothing wrong with this. Okay, that's a nice SSR. Important dude, ultra rare, I get it. Where the fuck, I mean, we have so much of her. Let's remove her. Sure that I can understand he's a cool dude, but I mean, make this an SSR. Godverdomme. Yes, another cute ultra rare. Okay, now you make me happy. We've seen this, we've seen this, we've seen this. Okay, Okay, it looks like he kinda get it, but also didn't, because there's a lot of questionable rarities and choices. Okay, that's a cute card. And then the double, very nice, very nice. What do we have here in the package? From all the things, like all these collages that I've seen, this one is interesting because that's like how the anime is starting. And obviously it's not about how it started, but how it will go once he is isekai'd, because that's the point of the anime. This is like kind of reminder for us how is this happened. I kind of love this. That's a cool one. That's an ultra rare. It can be Epic Wolf SSR. Okay, that's fine. Sure. Nothing to say about this. Yes. More action. More action. This is nice, man. This is nice. This ones are nice. This one aren't. Fuck you. Dio. Okay. Okay, double. Yep. Last pack. Let's see if it has some epic in it. I don't think so. I mean, alright. That's a good choice. And ultra rare of this dude, which is a double. Let me know in the comments what you think of this box, because I have a little bit mixed emotions. I think it really comes down to a price for these things. If the price is not that high, that's alright. I mean, you get some cards of the character that you love and you move on. When its price, it's high, at the same price as, for example, and 1001 got a story box, which are for the most time very, very great, then it becomes the problem, because why the fuck would you buy this for the same price when you can buy something that's just amazingly better? You were interested, so I got it for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video opening, and I will see you in another one, web travelers.